In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Buy Now button in Ecwid for the year 2025. Adding a Buy Now button on your site can significantly streamline your customers' shopping experience by allowing them to purchase products instantly. Whether you're selling a single product or multiple items, this feature is incredibly useful for increasing conversions and enhancing your online store's functionality. Now, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First things first, you'll need to log into your Ecwid store. Start by heading over to the Ecwid website, which you can find at ecwid.com. Once you're on the homepage, use your login credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your Ecwid dashboard, the main hub where you'll manage your products and store settings. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the product you want to sell with a Buy Now button. In your Ecwid dashboard, look for the catalog section and from there click on Products. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have on offer. Take your time to scroll through and select the specific product you'd like to add the button for. When you found it, simply click on it. Next, you'll find yourself on the product detail page. Here, you need to locate the tab labeled Share Buy button. Click on that to begin generating the code for your Buy Now button. On this page, look for the option that says Buy Now button and give it a click. Now you're starting to get into the exciting part where you can customize your button. You'll have a few options to tweak its appearance. Decide on the button text such as Buy Now or perhaps Add to Cart, whichever suits your business style better. You can also choose the color and size of the button to match your website's aesthetics. If it's relevant to your product type, consider including a quantity selector. This is an optional feature but can be handy for products where customers might want to buy multiples at once. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the next step is to copy the generated HTML code. This code is your key to embedding the button on your website. Moving forward, open your website builder or content management system, be it WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or any other platform you're using. Navigate to the specific page where you want to display the Buy Now button. It's important your customers can easily find and interact with the button, so choose your location wisely. Once on the desired page, add an HTML block or a custom code block depending on which option your platform provides. Now paste the copied Ecwid Buy button code into this block. Finally, save your changes and publish your page. This step finalizes all your customizations and integrations, making the Buy Now button available to your site visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully added a Buy Now button, facilitating a seamless shopping experience for your customers.